Let's start with report. So if you go to your business center, so my screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. So if you go to report, so where you can find report, you can find reports here when you just click on the, when you go to the role center page. We are in the role center page, okay? So how this reports will show based on your role. Your business central is a role based access. So how to see that role? If you just go to the settings, okay, if you just click on the settings, you can see my settings, okay. If you just click on this my settings, you can see that you can find a role coming up, okay. You can see that you are getting a role here. The first one is the role, okay, business manager. What is the role you are playing here? Got it? So there are various roles available. So you can, if you just click there, you can find a lot of roles here: business manager evaluation, company hub. So there are a lot of roles will be there, and based on this, the reports will be personalized. Okay, if you are a business manager, accordingly your reports, you can see the reports and all the rules and the page will be customized accordingly to that. Clear? So now we, like, once if you click on this all report, you can see what are the possible reports which are there. So before we go further, like, can you tell me what is report basically?
Collection of information.
Okay, very good. Collection of information. Then,
Collection of information in a structured way, ma'am.
okay, very good. Collection of information in a structured way. So you can collect the data from all the tables or relevant tables. Okay, it may be a customer table, vendor table, item table, and you will choose what to show. Like, there are in every table there will be more than 10 fields or 20 fields, but you will be choosing what are the things which you wanted to show, and you can format it as a PDF or a Word or a Excel. As of now, the possible thing are PDF, Word, sorry, not a PDF here, sorry, it's a RDLC report, okay. So this is a report from your Microsoft product itself, okay. So this is one type of report, and Word is another type of report you can create it, or Excel. So RDLC means report definition language. Okay, report definition language, client side report. You can create this, or Word you can create, or Excel you can create. If you just go here and just type report. So once if you click on this report, you can see what are the reports you have, report layouts. Okay, just click on this report layouts. You can find a lot of layout here. Okay, and you can see here that this is the report. Okay, and if you just scroll, you can find the type of reports you have. RDLC, report definition language. If you just click this drop down, if you click filter, just click this filter. So you can see what are the types of report which are possible. Okay, so these are the types of reports which you have as of now. Okay, there are pre-built reports are available. So you can see here, this is a pre-built report, general journal test. This is detailed trial balance. So these are the reports which are already designed for your base objects. What do you mean by the base object? Any idea what do you mean by base object?
It's obtained by Microsoft.
Very good. Which is designed by Microsoft itself. Like customer is a base object which is already there. So few reports which are already designed for the base objects itself. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can see for customer, you have few reports, customer list. If you wanted to print the customer list, you have already customer list here. If you have a customer detail, it's there. Customer summary, it's there. Customer detailed aging, it's there. So for customer itself, you have nearly this much report. 9 reports are there. Okay. So if you just click on this report, if you just click on this report, you can see, I think you can open the report. Base application. Okay, you can just click that and see here, or else you can just go ahead and search for this name. Okay, customer list. Just go search for customer list. Okay, just search for that. You can see that there is a customer list. It's a report and analysis. So just click this customer list. You can see something coming up. If you just click preview, okay, just click preview, you can see how the customer list looks like. It will render the preview. Okay, this is a customer list. Like this, we are trying to fetch the customer report. Okay, so you have nearly this much customers, and this is the balance. Okay, everything you have. So this is the kind of a report which you can create it. Okay, so a report in Business Central is a way to take a data from the system and to show it in a useful format, like a list or a table or a document, so people can view, print, or export it. Okay, so for example, you can say sales invoice, vendor list, inventory valuation, customer balance, customer balance statements. So it can be anything. Okay, so why we need a report is what to help to print or send the document to others. Or if you wanted to analyze business data easily, then you will be getting the reports. If you wanted to run automatically, like every night, probably you can do that. Okay, so this is a report, which is you can filter the document, you can filter the data, you can format it and use it. That is what the report is all about. Okay, and here a report is actually also an AL object. Okay, so you can just see here that if you just click this, you can just try T report. So T report is an AL object which combines data set from the tables, fields, and also you have more layouts to turn the raw data into something people can print, people can preview and export or schedule it. Okay, so this is what a report. So when do we need a report? When do we exactly need a report? If you want an operational document, for example, sales invoice, purchase invoice. Okay, if you want if you want to do some business analysis, for example, top 10 customers by sales, inventory aging, so like that, or something like a background processing, adjust cost, item, entries, something, update the price.